Hi again, this is Irfan. This is what I have come across. It was my recent find, Canon AE-1 program. It comes with a very special Olympic cap, but it's not an Olympic version. That was slightly different. As far as I know, Canon AE-1 program cameras came out in early 1980s with a special feature program mode wherein camera automatically sets shutter and aperture on its own, and you just need to point your camera towards your subject. The metering is very effective in this model. Works great.